Hey everyone! If you're a WhatsApp user, you're going to love today's video. WhatsApp is rolling out some exciting new features in 2025. From customizable themes to hidden features that make chatting more fun, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know. Let's talk about one of the coolest features coming to WhatsApp in 2025, WhatsApp theme for all chats. Here's how you can make it real. Launch WhatsApp. Tap on the settings icon at the bottom right and select Chats, then go to Default Chat Theme. Here, you can choose your favorite color for both incoming and outgoing messages. Blue, purple, or even red, it's up to you. The best part is, it's super easy to set up. WhatsApp icon shows the unread count badge on the home screen, which can be annoying to look at. So far, we can clear the unread badge from the icon by settings. Notifications. Turn on the clear badge toggle. Another handy new WhatsApp feature is the option to change playback speed for videos. This lets you switch playback speed from normal speed to 1.5 times and 2 times. I find this feature useful to skip those boring videos sent by your relatives who insist you on watching them. With instant voting in chats, you can create polls within your group chats. Whether you're planning a party or trying to pick a restaurant, you can quickly send a poll and get feedback instantly. To create a poll, just tap the attach icon in the chat, select poll, and add your options. Your group members can vote, and you'll get instant results. We all have inside jokes with friends and family. Now you can create funny stickers from selfies and other photos in your album. To access this option, tap on the sticker icon in the text space, and then tap on the Create option. So there you have it. These new WhatsApp features are sure to make your conversations exciting. If you want to try them, just follow the steps to start using. Let me know in the comments which feature you're most excited about. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you won't miss any future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.